This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Pull the wiper arm away from the screen until it locks. Rotate the blade 90 degrees. Depress the clip and slide the blade from the hook of the arm. Slide the blade over the end of the arm, then pull it firmly into the hook. Gently lower the arm to the screen. Pull the arm away from the screen, then press the blade from place. Locate the blade pivot pin into the notch in the arm and press it firmly into position.